Hi, my name is Monica Cherveniak and I'm here with Fearless Cooking. Today we're going to do some butter. Butter makes everything better, but especially when you make your own butter. All we take is some cream. I have about half a liter of whipping cream, which is about $2.50. The prices of butter is astronomically now, so why not make our own? So far we have some whipping cream after about turning it for about a minute and a half. So we're gonna give it some.